Hey, I wanted to show you a cool solution we came up with for sales managers and sales directors. In here, we are in Jane's account. Jane has multiple sales reps and she has leads funneling into her CRM from her website, but these leads need to go out to her salespeople. So right now, she is going through each of these leads, looking at what's happening with it, and she can just assign each of these out to the various sales reps and then submit this. And this is taking up a ton of her time to go through each one of these opportunities and look into them and assign these out to the various reps. It just takes too much time. She can't keep doing that every single day. And so we have built a new web form for her. With this new territory engine implemented, she has the ability to choose exactly what leads should go to which people. So she can build territories by whichever rules she would like, usually by, a location or a region or something like that. And she can then automatically assign all the new leads that come in from her website to her sales reps. So if we have a new lead, and this lead is, we'll put it in Gisborne. That's the region that this one is. You can put city, state, zip, any information that you want to put in here, just to help you know where the lead belongs. And then we'll put in some more information. All right, so someone from her website fills this out. They put in their location, their city, state, zip, region, county, anything like that, depending on how her territory engine is set up. That opportunity has now come right into her sales rep's account. So instead of this lead ending up again on Jane's plate for her to do something with, her sales rep automatically got a notification. He got a text message, an email. It shows up on his to-do list. This is already assigned to the correct agent, and Jane didn't have to lift a finger. So she went from having dozens and dozens of leads piling into her homepage every day to having leads automatically assigned to her sales rep without her lifting a finger. Her customers are happier because they're getting calls more quickly. Her sales reps are happier because they're getting more sales than ever. And she is much happier because she has much more time than she ever did before.